Pretty tasty. Ooh, they had some kick to them. Wait. It's happening again. I'm still hungry!
Captain,
What is it?
I'm hungry.
How can you be hungry at a time like this?
What the? I have a tummy ache.
Oh, gotta go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. She did it!
Cheesecake? Was that a growly tummy?
Wasn't me. I had a whole carrot before we left.
Stop! No, she's hitting the walls! That's our cue! Louder! This is so embarrassing. Did someone bring a wild animal to class? I think it's her. I don't know why it's doing this. It won't stop. Do you need to go to the nurse or the zoo? Get out! Oh, she left class. We can stop partying now.
I see everyone's. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, no, I gotta poop. I gotta poop.
I'll just shit right here in my pants.
Oh, I need to use the bathroom. No, I need to use the bathroom. Who's in there?
Open this door! What is it?
Do you mind? I have a nice evening set up for myself, and I have a one-way ticket to Shitville. So leave me alone. Now where were we?
Other bathroom. Other bathroom. Oh man, I shit my pants. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the toilet paper? Oh, there's no toilet paper. Oh my god.
I can't wait. Oh, juicy. Well, that's because you ate everything.
I haven't eaten a thing for 100 years. What do you expect? Where are my dumplings? Where?
Over here!
We do everything together, even get hungry.